What's the meaning of aghast? Aghast. 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 Aghast is an adjective that describes a feeling of shock or horror. When someone is aghast, they are stunned or appalled by something unexpected or terrifying. It can be a physical or emotional reaction to a disturbing situation. The word often implies a sense of disbelief or confusion, and may also suggest a feeling of helplessness or powerlessness in the face of overwhelming events. People who are aghast may feel too overwhelmed to speak or act, and may need time to process their feelings before they can respond to the situation.